I know what you're thinking. Your cousin, your friend, or your neighbor just bought a home, and you do not want to be left behind. You see them on social media, they're probably cooking or throwing a barbecue and enjoying the little pleasures of home ownership. And you're just not sure of how you can get started on the path of home ownership. Here's your opportunity to ask a professional and ask yourself, how can you make this happen? Good news is that it's easier than it seems. And it all starts with me learning where you are and what are your goals, and then we come up with a plan on how to get you there. I realize that you may or may not be looking to buy a home or sell a home right now, but if you know someone that is, please pass along my information and let them know that you do know a realtor. Thanks for watching.